Hello everyone, this is SuperTal3 here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to have another Python for Beginners tutorial. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about importing modules. So now we're straying more into the intermediate level of Python, but I'm still going to keep the name of the series Python for Beginners, as we're still pretty much beginners. If you look at what people are doing out there with Python right now, there's a lot more advanced stuff than I'm covering, so we'll just keep it for beginners. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and just create us a new file, and we'll just name it episode 7. We'll just do mod.py. There we go. And so in Python, there's these handy little things called, I guess you would say, modules that you can import. So to do that, you would just do import and then do name of module. And there's a few different options that you can do when you're importing it. So basically what that does, it imports a library. So you have one common one that you use to deal with .csv files, for example, is called pandas. You could just do import pandas. And then when you want to call a function from the pandas library, you would do pandas dot function, like for example read CSV, and then you put name of CSV, but we don't have a CSV in there, so it doesn't really matter. Another way you can do it is you can do import pandas, and you can say say PD, so it just makes the name a whole lot shorter, which means that you're not having to constantly write pandas. You can, or pandas. You can just do PD, which is arguably a lot faster than writing pandas. I think it's pandas. I don't know why I want to say pandas, because I'm pretty sure that's not what it is. I just keep saying that. I don't know. I got in the habit of it. Another thing you can do is import a submodule. So you can do import. You would do submodule dot module, and you can even do that as name. This is just examples. I don't have anything clear. You could do Selenium. Yeah, I don't really know any good submodules because I usually just import the whole thing, because I'm not making like super performance dependent programs. So I'm just making ones. I have computers, they're fast, so I don't have to worry about like if I'm importing too much or anything like that. But anyway, the way you install modules in Python is you use Python's package manager called pip. So you would do pip install pandas, and right there you can see it collects it, downloads it. I actually haven't installed it on this system yet. I have installed it on my other systems, but not this one. So this is exactly how it is every time you do. And you can see it actually is downloading some dependencies like date, util, numpy, pytz, all that. Okay, so now it's installing this. And it doesn't take that long usually. It's pretty small. But as you can see, that's how you do it. Sometimes it'll say, oh, you need to update pip, and you do python pip install dash something, I don't know. It gives you the command and you just update it. Now, sometimes in Visual Studio Code, I'll get the error when I want to do pip install. I'll just do Selenium. Okay, that was already installed. Pip install. I don't really know a good package name actually, but sometimes I'll get this error and it'll be like, oh, you don't have permission to do this, etc. For some reason that's what happens in Visual Studio Code, but I have not had that issue if on this computer so far. But if you do get that issue, just go to a administrative PowerShell prompt and just run the command, and it works just fine. Or you can just do a normal command line prompt, and I think that works just as well too. So anyway, I would show you how to make a program using libraries, but it's usually pretty complicated because usually when you are bothering to import libraries, your programs are going to be a lot longer and more complex, and I didn't feel like we had time for that in this video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short little video about importing libraries in Python and the few little things that you can do with that. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. Hit me up in the comment section below if you have any questions or want me to do anything further with importing modules, etc. Also, if you just like the video, just tell me it was cool. I always like to for when y'all do that. Thank you for watching. This is SuperTal3 signing out.